Hi, it's Anne here. In this video Cardz review, I am going to show you how this stupidly simple software that replaced a 6-7 figure marketer did his job for him and made over $800 in 24 hours. Make sure you stay to this end of this review, as I am going to show you a detailed demo of this software to know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If at any point during this review you want to check out video Cardz, just click on the link below, and you'll also be able to see all of these special bonuses that are available if you pick up from me. Also, please like this video as it really helps my YouTube channel, and to make sure to hit the subscribe button and bell notification, and I really appreciate that. Thank you. Let's take a quick look at the bonus page. All of these exclusive bonuses will be available to you if you decide to purchase from my site. And all of these special bonuses will be right inside your account, waiting for you after you purchase video Cardz. Let's do a walkthrough together with the video Cardz sales page. You can now get access to the stupidly simple software that replaced a 6-7 figure marketer, did his job for him, and made over $800 within 24 hours. And this software will create profitable videos for you in 3 simple steps. Step 1, click new video. Step 2, copy and paste your text, or you can have the AI to write for you. And lastly, hit the render button. And in less than 1 minute, your video is done, complete with avatar, text, and auto-generated voiceover.
Hey guys, Brett here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use my video Cardz software. So to get started, you want to go ahead and click the videos button on the upper right hand navigation, and then you'll see a screen that looks very similar to this. Of course, if you don't have any videos created yet, you're not going to see any videos in your list. To get started creating a video, simply click on the new video button. Now you have 2 options when creating a video. You can create a blank video, which means you want to enter in the content of the video yourself. Or you can create an AI video, which means that the AI will automatically write the video script for you. I'm going to go ahead and show you both options. And to start with, I'm going to create a new blank video. It's going to ask me for a couple of different things. The first thing is going to be the video name. Now this is for my reference only. It's just so that I can remember what it's for. For this example, I'm going to create a video that teaches how to build an email list. So I'll go ahead and enter that into the video name. Next, it's going to ask me for the language of the video. And there are multiple languages. Currently, video Cardz supports English, Spanish, German, French, Italian, and Chinese. I'm going to keep it at English because that's the only language I speak. It's then going to ask me which avatar I'd like to use. I'm going to go ahead and choose an avatar. There are 9 avatars that you can select from. It's going to ask me for the background color of my video and the text color of my video. I'll leave them both as a default just because this is just an example. I'll go ahead and click on continue, and it will then create my video. And you can actually see it in the list here. It says draft. And the reason it says draft is because I haven't rendered the video yet. Now I selected to manually create my video, so what I have to do is go ahead and click on edit, and I can then go ahead and edit all the content of my video. On the right hand side, I can change the pose of the avatar. I can add new scenes. Underneath here, I can change the text. And of course, I can edit the video settings at any time I want. Once I've added all the scenes that I want, added all the text, and have it set the way I like, I can go ahead and click on the render video button, and it will then render my video. Now that's how you manually create a video using the blank video option. But of course, there's a much easier way to do it. We can use AI to do all this work for us. So let's go ahead and try that right now. So I'm going to go ahead and click on new video. I'm going to click on new AI video. And most of the options are the same, except for you'll see there is one additional option. It's asking me for the subject of the video underneath the video name. Now the subject is going to tell the AI what it should create the video script about. So once again, I'll go ahead and enter in my video name, which of course is how to build an email list. And the subject of my video is the same thing, how to build an email list. Now I'll go ahead and pick my avatar. Let's go ahead and use Nick this time. I'll go ahead and pick my background colors. Let's change this a little bit, make it a nice blue. Let's make my text black. And I'll go ahead and click on continue. Okay, now just as before, my video is showing in the My Video section, but it's set as draft, and that's because I haven't rendered it yet. So what I can do is go ahead and edit it. But you might notice a major difference now. Instead of having to add scenes and add text myself, the AI has created all my scenes and all of the text of my video for me. It has created a complete video. Now I can go ahead and edit this if I like. I can add more scenes, or I can leave it just as it is. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and click on render video. It'll ask me if I'm sure I want to render. I am sure, so I'll click OK. And this will take about 60 seconds, and then it'll be done. So I'll pause this video. We'll come back in 60 seconds. Okay, so now it's all done being rendered. I'll go ahead and click on continue. And you notice instead of it saying draft up here, it now says view. And if I go back to the video set list, you can see it now says view instead of saying draft. I can go ahead and click on view.
Building an email.
And there is my complete video, created and rendered with AI automatically. All I did was tell it what I wanted to create the video on. Of course, I can go ahead and click on the 3 dots and download my video and use it however I like. So that's a quick overview on how to use the video Cardz software. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you and enjoy.
Let's have a look at both outcome comparison of promoting the exact same product during the exact same 24-hour period using a video. One is using the hard-to-make, time-consuming recorded video which earns over $300, and the other one is Mike's result using video Cardz, earn over $800. And the only real question is you have to ask yourself, do I want to make my videos the difficult, time-consuming old way, or do I want to use the power of AI technology to quickly and easily create high-quality, proven to convert videos within minutes? And Video Cardz is a new AI-powered super-fast video creation system that lets anyone create sales videos, lead gen videos, affiliate promotion videos, tutorial videos, how-to videos, marketing videos, and so much more, all done within minutes. And let's do a recap on what you'll be getting with Video Cardz if you decide to grab a copy today. You get access to multiple language support, 9 avatars with dozens of poses each, copy-paste simple video creation technology, 60-second video renders, integrated AI, so you can automatically create full videos on any topic, multiple text animations and scene translations, and importantly, no monthly fee with this special only. And you also be getting fast action bonuses included in your purchase as well. Bonus 1, you'll be getting Brett's AI image creator. Second bonus is Let's Mail. It's a self-hosted autoresponder that lets you send unlimited emails with no monthly fee. And the last bonus is a bonus builder. And Video Cardz also comes with a 100% risk-free 14 days money-back guarantee. Thank you for watching my review. If you want to check out Video Cardz, just click on the link below. And be sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification, as it really helps my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.